unlock premium features in PickU, first open the PickU app, head to the home screen and tap the crown icon, usually found it in the top corner. This takes you to the PickU Pro and VIP page. Explore what's it included. Here you can see everything you get with premium: no ads, save without watermark, access to exclusive filters, templates, cutout and effects, advanced AI tools. Choose your plan. You will get options like weekly, monthly, yearly. Tap on your preferred plan, tap continue, confirm with the Play Store or App Store account, add your payment method. Once your purchase is successful, you will see Pro Badge or Premium Unlock confirmation. Now go explore all the features without limits. And that's it. You have just unlocked all the powerful tools in PickU like a pro. If this helped, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more smart photo editing tips. See you in the next one.